Alright traders, welcome back here. So I just want to keep you in copy with my 50k stellar challenge with Fundednext. I was able to pass the first stage, alright, of the challenge, 50k challenge with Fundednext. And right here, if you checked in the previous video, I've actually explained everything in detail about Fundednext and how it is my recommended proprietary firm for anyone that has been asking me for a recommended proprietary firm. All right, so let me show you my client area. Let me go to login so you will see how far I've come with trading that particular account. All right, so inactive is this particular one. You can actually see Stellar two-step challenge phase 1. It is a 50k account right here. Let me show you. So this is the particular account right here, and I was able to pass this particular phase of the challenge. It is 8% of the account, and I was able to do it, and I am presently trading the second account. All right, that is the second phase of this particular challenge. Let me show you that second phase of this particular challenge so you can see it. And this is the inactive, and then the active is here. I've almost even conquered almost halfway of it. So I'm supposed to make $2,500 so far for this particular stage, and this is my progress so far, 1,534. If I am able to pass this entire phase and second challenge, I will get a funded account. I will keep you in copy of everything. All right, currently Fundednext is running a 22% discount. I think I've seen that. If you pick up this right now, you can also get it right here. You can see the Fiesta 11%, 22% off for 6k, 15k account and 25k account right here. All you have to do is to use the coupon code Fiesta. All right, you can see it right here. Now if you use my link in the description, you can get your Fundednext account, which is pretty much easy to do, and you also get a discount with my link. If you register with my link, all you have to do is to use my coupon code. Also, my coupon code is ETP. I will display it right now on the screen so you can see it. Is ETP. That is my coupon code. All right, so if you want to purchase any account, you can see you can select either of those ones, whether you want to do the 22% discount or you want to do the 11% discount, though there is a cons and pros for each of those accounts that you need to pay attention to. Also, let me go to the dashboard so you can see what I'm saying right here. So this is the home page. If you come over here, you want to do any challenge. If you have not watched the review I've done for Fundednext, you can check it. I explained everything in detail. All right, if you click on start challenge, it will take you to where all the challenges are. You have the Stellar challenge, you have the evaluation, you have the express, and you select your favorite platform to trade with, swap account or swap free. All right, I've explained this in detail. Let me show you the video. I don't want to just say it verbally. I want to show you the video. So this is the video. I've taken time to explain it in detail, so you can watch it right there to get everything I've explained. So these are all the accounts, and don't forget the Fiesta 11% discount is here. You can see all the coupon codes are here, and the current discount ongoing, you can see 22% discount plus 85% lifetime withdrawal. So there is a condition for each of them, so just click on the link in my description and then you can get your own account, whichever one you want to buy, whether the 6k. And I've already given the winners of the giveaway. I'm going to do another one in the coming month. Every month I'm going to do a 6k giveaway for 3 people. All right, so if you have not gotten it this month, you probably will get it next month. And then one amazing thing with this particular proprietary firm is that in your evaluation stage, that is the challenge, you've seen me made $4,000 for the phase stage. That is the phase stage of the challenge. Now I will get 15% of that. All right, combine everything from the phase stage and the second stage, I will get 15% of that. That is beautiful. All right, you can see 15% of your profit share from challenge phase. So that is the beauty of it. So any of this you want to pick, all you have to do is to, let's assume you want to pick the 100k. I actually picked the 50k Stellar step 2 or 2-step challenge. I went to Stellar right here, 2-step. That means I will do 8% for first step, 5% for second step, and I picked the 50k challenge. Let me show you everything I went through. So right here you can see this is it, and the money is supposed to be $299, but if you use my coupon code, which is ETP, you're going to get a discount, automatic discount. Can you see an automatic discount on that? All right, so if you want to do for the 22% discount, this is it. You can see it here. All you have to do, let me click on it and show you how it goes. They said up to 22% discount, profit share, this, that, and that. Coupon code is Fiesta 22 for a 50k challenge. Let me go and see if it will work right here. Let me reset it and show you. Fiesta, all right, 22. Click and then click on apply. Let's see, Fiesta 22. Will it work? The coupon code is not valid for 15k. Okay, I think we are making a mistake. Is 15k, 6k, and 25k. All right, that is where the discount is, 15k and 25k. This one is Fiesta 11%, I think. All right, you can see it. It's 11. If you're buying 6k, 15k, and 25, you can use the Fiesta 22% discount. Let me show you that. Let me pick 25 and show you start 25 right there. So I'm gonna show you right there. So if I click on Fiesta 22, it should work now. All right, it should work. You can actually see. So you're getting 20% discount, and then you can read here. The only difference is that this one, the lifetime payout is going to be 85% instead of getting up to 90%. But who cares? You can get, if you can get 85% of that, you're doing well. So you can use either your card or crypto payment or others such as Perfect Money, bank transfer. I use the crypto to pay for it. So if you click on next, you're going to get the next thing to do. You copy the crypto address and then you will send in the crypto into it, and then you get verified. That's how you get your account with Fundednext. Guys, you can try them and see. I will keep you in copy of all my progress with this. See you when I'm done with my challenge.